Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Listiana with NPM 234-11142 and from Management Class 23B. Today, I'm going to talk about social and ethical issue, something that every organization, every company, and even every individual needs to think about. As technology grows and business get bigger, the impact on society becomes stronger. So, it's no longer just about making profit, it's also about doing the right thing. When we talk about social issue, we are basically talking about problems or challenges that affect people in society. This issue appear when a company's action influence communities, workers, or customer. For example, unfair working condition, discrimination, privacy concerns, and even environmental damage can all be considered social issue. So the main question is, how do our action affect other people? Ethical issue focus on what is morally right or wrong. It's not just about following the law, because sometimes something can be legal but still not ethical. Ethical issue asks, is this the right thing to do in business that includes honesty in advertising, transparency, fair treatment of employees, and avoiding practices that harm others? Ethics is like a compass to guide decision. In the business world, social issues show up in many ways. One example is labor practice. Things like fair wages, safe working environment, and equal opportunities. Another example is consumer protection, such as making sure products are safe and not misleading. Companies also face community impact issues, like whether their operation pollute the environment or affect people's health. The idea is simple. Companies should contribute positive to society, not harm it. Ethical issues usually appear in decision making. For example, should a company collect customer data without permission? Should they hide important information from the public? There are also ethical issues connected to technology, such as using AI responsibly, or ensuring that algorithms don't produce biased results. In short, ethical issues remind companies that success shouldn't come at the cost of integrity. Some of the most common issues we see today include data privacy, companies collecting too much personal data, discrimination, unfair treatment based on race, gender, age, environment harm, pollution, excessive waste or irresponsible resource use, misleading information, ads or promotion that aren't truthful, worker exploitation, long hours, low pay, unsafe workplace. This problem exists everywhere, which is why awareness is so important. This issue matters because people care more about responsibility now. Customers want to support companies that act ethically. Employees also want to work for business that respect them. Also, unethical action can damage reputation, cause legal problems, and erase trust very quickly. When a company does what is right, they build long-term relationship, and that's more valuable than short-term profit. There are several steps companies can take. First, they need clear policies that tell employees how to make ethical decisions. Second, they should invest in training so everyone understands social and ethical expectations. Third, They must be transparent, meaning they openly share what they do, especially when things go wrong. And finally, companies should listen to feedback from customers and communities because those voices show where improvement is needed. Social and ethical responsibility isn't only for big companies, it also starts with us as individuals. We make ethical choices every day, how we use social media, how we respect others, how we share information, and how we treat the environment. Being ethical means thinking beyond ourselves and considering how our actions affect others. To wrap everything up, social and ethical issues are important because they shape how business interact with people, the environment, and society as a whole. When organizations act responsible, they build trust, create positive impact, and become more sustainable in the long run. So, whether we are students, workers, or future leaders, it's important to understand this issue and practice good value in everything we do. So much material that I can convey. Please apologize if there is the mistake in the pronunciation of word. Thank you for watching until the end. I am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.